Hello everyone, welcome to the classes OAAC LTR preliminary examination 23rd March 2025 रे थिला जहारा आमे जनरल स्टडीज कंप्यूटर एंड करंट इवेंट्स रो क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करि सारछु एबे अरिथमेटिक एवं लॉजिकल रीजनिंग रो क्वेश्चन आमे डिस्कशन करबा को जाउछे चलंतु टाइम न सारी की जल्दी सेशन स्टार्ट करबा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए मैन सोल्ड टू स्टील चेयर्स 500 से बिक्री करछे गोटे रे 20% गेन करछे और गोटे रे 12% लॉस करछे तो अप्रॉक्स गेन एंड लॉस केते हबो आर आंसर आसे 1.53% गेन दैट इज ए ऑप्शन a sum of money lent out of simple interest amount 720 after 2 years and rest 1020 after a further period of 5 years so our answer asibo 600 then the average score of boys in an examination in a school is 71, that of the girls is 73. The average score of the school in that examination is 71.8. The ratio 3:2. A class A has students twice that of class B. After adding 20 students to class A, 30 students to class B, the total number of students in both the classes is 140. What is the number of students in class A in the beginning? Our answer is 60. Then the average age of a jury of 5 is 40. If a number of 35 resigns and a man age 25 becomes a member, average age. So our answer is 38. Which with an average speed of 40 km per hour, a train reaches its destination in time. It is if it goes with the average speed of 35 km per hour, it is late by 15 minutes. The total journey is 70 km. Our answer is 70 kilometers, that is C option. The number of seats in an auditorium is increased by 25%. The price of a ticket is also increased by 12%. Then the increase in revenue collection is 40%. A person takes a loan of 10,000 partly from a bank at 8% per annum and remaining for other bank at 10% per annum. He pays a total interest of 950 per annum. Amount of loan taken from our answer is for 2,500. An article was sold for 96. If percentage of profit was numerically equal to the cost price of the article is 60 rupees. 3 students A, B, C play cricket and the runs scored A, B respectively are in the ratio 3:2. B's run to C's run are also in the same ratio. Together they are scored 342 runs. Then the runs scored by B are 108. A, B, C can complete a work in 2 hours. A does the job alone in 6 hours. B in 5 hours. How long it will take for C to finish the job alone? So our answer is 7.5 hours. That is B option. The ratio of the number of boys and girls in a college is 3:2. If 20% of the boys and 25% of the girls are adults, the percentage of those students who are not adults is 78%. That is C option. Successive discount of 10% and 30% are equivalent to single discount of 37%. A car travels 432 km on 48 liters of petrol. How far would it travel for 20 liters of petrol? 1800 km. 180 km. Then 75. 120 men had food provision for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men left. How long will the remaining food last? Answer over 260 days. 2 pipes A, B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes respectively. C empty kari pare 20 minutes re. 3 pipes opened in the beginning, however pipe C is closed in 6 minutes before the tank is filled. In what time will tank will be filled? जदि आम तार if केते अच्छी तो आम 60 रे करके सॉल्व करि परबा और आंसर आसी जिवो हमर 7 minutes. Then if 1/8 of pencil is black and 1/2 of remaining is white, remaining 3.5 centimeter is blue. Find the total length of the pencil. So answer is 8 centimeter. Find the maximum number of students among whom 1001 pens, 910 pencils can be distributed. In which way that each student gets the same number of pens and same number of pencil? Our answer is 91. 20 liters of mixture contains milk and water in the ratio of 5:3. 4 liters of this mixture is replaced by 4 liters of milk. Then find the ratio of milk to the water in the new mixture 7:3. Then 3 years ago X age was double of Y's. 7 years hence the sum of their united ages will be 83 years. The age of the today is 45 years. C option. If seasonal written as Esanola, then separate will be Esa Parit. That is D option. A man started from a place, walked towards north, then 90 degree turn kala to his right. सो ईस्ट को गला ईस्ट रु से एबे 45 डिग्री राइट को जीव देन ईस्ट रु से तळु को जीव ना 45 डिग्री तो नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट जीव साउथ ईस्ट रे गला देन से कोजे 45 डिग्री पुणी आसो तो से पुणी स्ट्रेट हो जीव देन ईस्ट हो जीव आर आंसर आसो ईस्ट देन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग लेटर्स ग्रुप्स फॉलो द सेम प्रिंसिपल आर आंसर आसो एडीपी that is C option. From the given alternative word, select the word which cannot be formed using the letter. Our answer is for tricky. The day before the day before yesterday is 3 days after Saturday. What day is today? Our answer is your Friday. Ashoka is facing east. She turns 90 degree in the anti-clockwise direction and then another 180 degree turn in same direction. तो 270 डिग्री तो 90 डिग्री नहीं तो ये ईस्ट को से ईस्ट रे थिला से 90 डिग्री है कि तल को साउथ को अनेची फाइनली ही टर्न्स 45 डिग्री क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन इन व्हिच डायरेक्शन इज फेसिंग नाउ साउथ वेस्ट देन ए पैराग्राफ सॉल्व कले हु इज द सिस्टर ऑफ टी कारण ये आर एंड टी र जेंडर रिवील है टी र रिवील अच्छी किंतु आर र किछि नाही तो आर झील की पुओ कहीहबन तो इनफॉर्मेशन इनसफिशिएंट प्रोफेशन ऑफ पी नर्स देन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द टू मैरिड कपल आर आंसर आसीबो यूएस कीपी देन नेक्स्ट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज डेफिनेटली ग्रुप ऑफ मेल मेंबर्स आर आंसर आसीबो क्यू यू डेफिनेटली ना तो क्यू यू इन ए सर्टेन कोड पॉज इज रिटन एज OBPTD सो थिंक हबा SIZOZ दैट इज बी ऑप्शन as I walk 2 kilometer towards each 2 के right turn so it को हमको solve कर ले हमारा आंसर आएगा 8 meters that is A option. Then 93 if Saturday falls on 4 January 1997 why do the week will fall on the 4 January 1998 तो Saturday हबा then आंसर आएगा हमारा Sunday. If 1 is subtracted from each of one digit even digit and 2 is added to each odd digit in the number 463852 how many digits will be repeated in new number so our answer is 94 2 answer. Trupti correctly remembers that the she went on leave before the 16th but after 11th so 12 13 14 15th. Samir correctly remembers the last time Trupti went on leave was the 13th but before the 18th so 14 15 सो हम पाखे 14 15 दीटा का ऑप्शन अवेलेबल अच्छे तो आंसर हम 18 14 और 15th देन नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ सॉल्व कले हमारा आंसर आसो हाउ फार किरण इज फ्रॉम इट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट आर आंसर आसो 30 मीटर डायरेक्शन होचे हमर वेस्ट देन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द हैंड्स ऑफ द ब्लॉक मीटर इन ए डे आर आंसर आसो हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द हैंड्स ऑफ द क्लॉक मीट इन ए डे आर आंसर आसो 22 देन ए रिलेशन दीजिए तो ये हमर एक्सप्रेशन टी इज द मदर ऑफ एल ए कोटा हम बी ऑप्शन ने हम if A plus M plus B plus R what is the relation of B and F that is niece. I hope आपण मानकू ए सेशन टी भल लागि थिबो जहा जहा क्वेश्चन डाउट हिच आपण माने कमेंट करंतु मैं आपनकर डाउट क्लियर करे को ट्राई करबू OSSC CGL पई हमर गोटे क्विज ग्रुप अछि क्विजेस पई स्थिति क्लासेस आपण जॉइन करके क्विज सेशंस मानकू अटेंड करि परिबे एवं PDF पई आपण स्थिति क्लासेस रो कम्युनिटी ग्रुप को जॉइन करि परिबे. आई होप आपन के सेशन टी भल लागि थिबो. थैंक यू.